Hey guys, welcome back my channel The Learning Destinations. As you can see that I am here with one of the box and I'm going to unbox it. Now what is inside? As you know that I am the part of AWS Community Builder program and Amazon has sent me this AWS Swag gift. So I'm going to unbox it. I'm going to show you what is inside that, what they have sent me, the different items. Now for those who doesn't know about what is the Community Builder program, so every year Amazon Web Services select limited number of persons across the globe for their Community Builder program to promote the Community Builder activity. And I am the part of this year, I am the part of AWS Community Builder program from the Southeast Asia region and the Japan region. So today I received this from the Amazon and now I am going to share you that what they have sent in this box. Okay, so here I go. I am opening it now. So firstly there is a bag. This community bag is there. This one, AWS community bag. Okay, now it looks like this. Let me hold it. What is inside? Wow. The first is cap. Let me wear it. Cool. Looking cool. Is it? Isn't? Yes. Okay. Next, I received this diary. It's pretty much soft. Nice. There is a pen also and pen holder as well. Okay. After that, I received this stainless steel tumbler. Let me see what is inside. Wow, that's amazing. There is a branding of AWS Community Builder, so it looks amazing, and it is looking like this. From here you can drink the coffee, tea, whatever you want. You just pull it from the inside. Very nice. This one, okay, this one, two. Then there is a USB charger, guys. Let me see this. So there is a branding as well of AWS Community Builder. If you can find out, let me keep the closer. I don't know, camera is not focusing on it. Okay, so there is a branding, and in one single wire you can plug in 3 devices. So overall this one like that. Then after that there is, okay, so there are a couple of stickers that you can stick on your laptop for branding, like this AWS Community Builder. Then there is a, I don't know what it should be called, pin or like tag, but it is a metal. This is metal. And then this is, again there is a sticker, AWS Community Builder. So there are a couple of stickers like that, AWS Community Builder. Then there is a diary, one diary with the pen and this tumbler. That is awesome. Yeah, so these things I have received from the Amazon. So I would like to say thank you so much Amazon for this beautiful swag kit gift. Thank you so much Amazon.